Watcher, I'm Ian. This is Essential Handyman. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a home life hack video. Now in the UK we've got four main types of beds. We've got a single bed, which is 3 foot wide by 6'3" long. We've got a double bed, which is 4.5 foot wide by 6'3" long. We've got a king size bed, which is 5 foot wide by 6'3" long, and we have a super king size bed, which is 6'6" long by 6 foot wide. And so if you've got a super king bed, what happens is, because it's 6'6" long and 6 foot wide, it has to be much wider. So the duvet itself, the cover is about 7-8 foot wide, but only 6'6" long. If you put it in the wrong way, it's a nightmare, because you've got a section of about 18 inches where there's no duvet cover, no duvet in the cover. It's just fit as you like, and it's so annoying. I'm showing you a hack today to make sure you always get your duvet in the right way in a super king bed. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get your duvet cover and put it over a washing line. Make sure that the bit that you button up is normally at the bottom, so the bottom of your duvet cover is facing down. So the sides are at the sides, and the bottom and the top are facing down. That's the first thing. Put down a bit, back to this way. Perfect. Now if you see here, this is what I was talking about. We've got a big gap here. It's too long at the bottom, and the gap is at the side. So we want to turn it around. And if you look there, it's now in the right way. It's the right width. Now, on most duvets, you're normally going to get a label. So on this one, I know the label's on the side, so I'm going to take a Sharpie and write side. So next time, I'll know, right, this goes on the side. Job done. Nothing to do with tools, no handyman hacks or anything like that. This is just a life hack for your house. If you follow that routine that I've just shown you, then you'll never have those 12 to 18 inches of freezing cold, annoying duvet at the side of your bed. Thank you very much. Remember to hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video. See ya.